Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use a basic text formatting option on your Microsoft PowerPoint mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So today we're going to see about the basic text formatting option. So first, if I open a new document, I just go open a new project here. So now I just going to type some text here. So I can make the text formatting. So just going to type as PowerPoint. Now you just select the text that you want to format. Click on the A symbol on the top, or click on this side menu to open the text formatting option. So here you will see a lot of text formatting options. So just going to zoom in. So this B option, while ticking the B option, it's bold, italic, underline, and also you can just download the different type of font from the internet, and you can just change the font style. And here you can change the font size. You can see there's a lot of font size here, and in here the font color, there will be a theme colors. There's a lot of theme colors from the darker to the lighter, and also having some standard colors. And just scroll down, you will see option called more colors. It's actually a premium option to get that colors. So these are the basic text formatting option on your Microsoft PowerPoint mobile. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.